Located on the outskirts of Ras Al Khaimah, the production facility of RAK Porcelain spans an impressive 100,000 square meters and includes state-of-the-art machinery capable of producing 28 million pieces annually. Using the latest technologies, such as isostatic presses and fast-firing roller kilns, this facility turns raw materials, specially imported from Europe to ensure the highest quality, into the world's finest hotelware. These products are marketed and shipped to over 140 countries globally. Porcelain manufacturing involves three basic steps: production, processing, and final finishing. But how these steps are completed is always the key to creating something special. It is thanks to the expertise, passion, attention to detail, and the vast experience of our 850 employees that every single RAK porcelain product is produced and designed to meet the HoReCa industry's highest standards. Let's take a look at the process in more detail. RAK Porcelain is among the few porcelain manufacturers who create our own unique body and glaze recipes. First, our skilled experts create our secret formula. This consists of four basic and major components like feldspar, quartz, kaolin, and free alumina, which get milled to the specific consistency and then blended. This blended mix gets run through a magnetic process to extract the free iron particles from the body mix. It is then separated into three variations for different applications: dry granules for isopressing, wet clay rolls for jiggering of cups and mugs, and liquid slurry for high pressure and manual casting. We apply four different methods of shaping the porcelain depending on the shape, size, complexity, and volume requirement. Here, all kinds of round and square flat plates, deep plates, and bowls get pressed. The body granulate powder is fed into the respective press molds, then formed at very high pressure of between 200 to 250 bar. The machines on the press line do the cutting, fettling, and finishing of the pressed plates. This is an entirely automated process with no need for any manual intervention. Round-shaped cups, mugs, and some of the bowl models are produced here at the roller head jiggering. The plastic clay roll gets squeezed between the plaster mold and metal tool to create the desired shape. The handles of cups and mugs are cast separately and manually joined at the final stage of the creation process. High-pressure casting is responsible for all the non-round shapes like squares, rectangular and oval-shaped platters and bowls, as well as articles with low volume requirements. The body mix in liquid slurry form is cast at high pressure in casting molds made of resin to extract the water, and the shape gets formed within 100 to 450 seconds of cycle time, depending on the size, shape, and complication of the article. The green production from the isopress, jiggering and casting gets dried to zero moisture and then undergoes a preliminary firing at a low temperature of 950 degrees Celsius to get the products biscuit fired, which ensures that they are strong enough to withstand the glaze application. The majority of the cup and mug glazing is done by state-of-the-art dipping systems. However, depending on the hollowware, some specific color glazes are also applied by manual dipping and manual spray glazing. Here, the biscuit-fired products undergo the glazing process. All regular round flatware and bowls are glazed in the triplex glazing machines. The non-round plates get spray glazed in mechanized spray glazing lines. Upon completion of the glaze application, all glazed products are sent through the glossed firing kiln, which fires them at very high temperatures of 1240 degrees Celsius. This final firing at extreme temperatures helps to achieve vitrification, mechanical strength and glossy finish. It is through this process that the product completes solidification and becomes 0% porous. It is also at this final stage that the glaze melts and the final colours and finishes become visible. After this glossed firing, the products are put through a series of tests to ensure they meet the highest international standards of quality and strength. Products that meet the specifications are taken for further foot polishing and then onto final packing for shipment and delivery. Our in-house design department offers a whole host of custom and regular decorations created by renowned artists from both the UAE as well as from around the world. Decals are screen printed in our custom printing section. Around 1/4 of all the standard production items get decorated with on-glaze or in-glaze decals. The on-glaze decoration gets fired between 800 to 850 degrees Celsius, and the in-glaze decoration gets fired at 1200 degrees Celsius. This final firing ensures that the decorations are properly set on the porcelain. Aside from the precious metals like gold and platinum, all our decorations are dishwasher safe and microwave oven proof. With so many variations and products in our range, RAK Porcelain has a huge dedicated warehouse area which stores up to 13 million pieces. This has allowed us to reduce our product turnaround time to just 2 weeks.